In this video, we'll walk through the initial setup of a risk framework in GRC for Jira. You'll learn how to create a risk framework, add a risk statement, and set up a basic qualitative risk assessment template. This learning path is intended for risk managers setting up risk structures for the first time. Let's start by creating a risk framework. I navigate to the Risk Frameworks page, which shows all risk frameworks currently configured in the system. From here, I click Create to add a new risk framework. A risk framework defines how risks are structured and assessed. It acts as a container for related risk statements and provides the foundation for your risk hierarchy. Once the framework is created, it becomes available for building out your risk structure. Next, I open the Dependencies view from the Risk Framework Actions menu. The Dependencies view provides a visual overview of how risk-related items are connected and is the most efficient way to build and review the structure. Now, let's add a risk statement. In the Dependencies view, I'll locate the Risk Framework card, open the Actions menu, and select Add New Risk Statement. A risk statement describes a specific, real-world risk scenario that the organization wants to assess and manage. With the risk statement in place, we can now create a risk assessment template. On the risk statement card, I open the Actions menu and select Create New Assessment Template. Risk assessment templates define how risks are evaluated. They ensure assessments are consistent and comparable over time and across different risks. In the template type field, I select the option Risk Assessment. The same template can later be reused for other risk statements. Once created, the risk assessment template includes two default criteria: likelihood and impact. These criteria are automatically defined based on your system-wide risk settings, ensuring alignment with your organization's risk methodology. This simple qualitative setup is well suited for initial risk assessments and prioritization. More advanced or customized risk assessment templates, such as those with additional criteria or scoring logic, are covered in a separate learning path. You've now completed the basic setup of a risk framework. From here, you can start identifying risks for entities and performing structured risk assessments.